Hello, guys. It was a fantastic time in our data analytics class today as we build this dashboard using Power BI. This data set that we work with was gotten from the internet, and we have the table. If you want to preview the table that we use, the data set that we use for this project consists of 4 tables. And those tables, we have actual calendar, and then we have the people, which is actually the sales people, and then we have the target. This is a company that has a lot of employee, and then the sales team in that employee were given targets. Okay, the target that was given to them of what to return with, as you can see from this table view, this is a target, this is a sales person, this is a date, and this is the amount that was given, and this is the actual amount that each of the salespersons return with at the end of each month from the beginning of the year to date. So that's exactly what we work on. And then the table also consists of calendar, where we have all the months, and then we have the people themselves, the sales person, and the picture of each of the sales persons. So we work on this data. First, we actually have to do that on the Power Query. We clean up the data. We created some additional columns that are not there, especially under the calendar. We have to split the date that was given. This is all we have in the data before. So we have to use the Power Query editor to extract the month, to extract the month name, and even the year separately from the date in the Power Query editor. A lot of work was done in the Power Query editor. And after we loaded the data into our Power BI from the Power Query editor on the Power BI, we actually come to the model view, where we have to link up the table together, because the 4 tables given to us, we cannot work on them independently. They are related. All the tables are related. So we need to ensure that one table can talk to another table for the purpose of our reporting. So we were able to do that under the model view. And then we come to report view. So this is what we came up with in the report view in the class today. So you can see the table here. We have all the sales, the picture, we have the salesperson, we have the target given to them, and then we have the actual, and then this is our KPI from the top. Don't mind me. I just call it James and John sales team performance, because this is just a data we are just playing with. So it's not really for any a real-time organization, so to say. This is just a demo data that we pick up from the internet and then we analyze. Now, this is the total sales target for the entire team. And then we have the actual that will return. Okay, and then we have the variance. So we have to use what we call data analysis expression to actually write some expression to calculate the variance, so that we know, we can see the variance is in the negative, meaning that a lot of the teams did not meet up with the target that was given to them. And then we have the percentage variance, and then we calculated the year-to-date performance as well. These are all the KPI. So we try to break it down by plotting the sales target against the actual in each of the months, as you can see from here. And interestingly, the target status as well. From the target status from our visualization, we have to write another expression that is called the target status, that allows us to be able to know which month within the the calendar year, okay, the operational year, that the target was met. Okay, which month. We realize from that chart we can easily present that, oh, this happened just in 2 months out of the calendar year that they work. And we decided to format the visualization further by representing the month with positive. That is why you can see this as green, and the negative one also with the month that the targets were not met by the team. So the performance of each of the team also, especially the team member, okay, we try to drill down. If I click a particular month, okay, you can see the performance of each of the team fits the target that was given to them. The actual for this particular guy, for this another salesperson, we can see that it has been drilled down, and you can see the total sales target for this team in this month of January. These are the entire team in the month of January. So we filtered down to just the month of January, and we can see the variance. Okay, so if you want to get back, we just click on filter up here, and then we can see the entire data again. So you can interact with the dashboard in such a way that you just want to see which month. Okay, the target made, for example, this is the month of March, and then this is the report for the month of March. Total sales target for that month, total sales target for actual, the target, the actual, and the variance. And then the variance, you can see percentage. The variance for this particular month, the target was met, actually is positive, meaning that they had more in that month of March than the target that was given to them. The return, the sales that was made in that month was more. That only happened in 2 months out of the operating months of the year that they work in. And that happened only in the month of March and then the month of July. And then you can see the month of July, the total sales target, the total sales actual. Okay, so this is what they made, the actual, and then this is the target that was given. And then you can see the variance as well as the variance percentage. So this is just a brief on, what this data set is all about. Why am I showing you this? What are you waiting for? Maybe you have a dream of becoming a data analyst. The earlier you start that, pursuing that dream, the better. You can join our next cohort where you are going to be able to learn all the technical skill. It's going to take you through Microsoft Excel for data analyst. You are going to learn Power BI, and then you are going to learn SQL as well. Now, after that, that's a technical skill. Then we're going to help you to build a portfolio where you can display a kind of personal portfolio, a website where you can display the project that you are going to do in the course of the class and several other assignments. And that portfolio, you will link it up with your LinkedIn. That's the second stage entirely. And from there, we're going to link you up with where you can get the virtual internship in order to enhance your skill. And that is going to help in your journey, to get either a remote job, or you want to work in an office, or you just want to be a freelance, okay? Data analyst. All of that is possible, but it begins with learning. So take your first journey today. We are going to train you and then help you to become that person you have admire to be for a long time. The year is running out. You can invest the next 5 to 6 months into all of this, and then you know that by next year, you are out there, flourishing as a data analyst. We look forward to having you. Join us, reach out right now through the contact that you have on the screen, and then further detail will be provided to you. Thank you. See you.